So, ladies and gentlemen, medical respondents uh, and technology experts, it's a pleasure to connect with you all. Let me introduce you to 3D Graphy. 3D Graphy is a platform uh, which actually helps respondents from various medical specialization to connect with experts who are in research, material science, and also clinicians and technology companies who have done some great work in innovation in 3D. Now, 3D technology, we started with 3D printing to begin, and that was in the year 2012. The larger interest is to see that how 3D printing technology can be proliferated to a very large audience across sectors, from aerospace to defense to medical to dental, oil and gas, jewelry. Already, there's a lot of work happening with jewelry. So, across sectors, this technology has a great potential. And with time, we have been able to, formulate almost 36 plus events in the last 7 years from where we started. We've also been consciously working towards identifying respondents who've done some great work in 3D printing, uh, and also acknowledging the work that they've been doing through the awards, the 3D Printing World Awards, which is the only platform that we've designed, and humbled to also get associated with experts who have done some great work, like key people like Dr. Desh Balare, Dr. Lalit Maini from his area of specialization, and now we also get to connect with Dr. Suma and Dr. Veena and Dr. Pallab and Mr. Sushant. So it'll be interesting for us in the course for today. But today the specific topic is on orthopedic research and material science, and 3D graphy is the conscious effort because we thought medical and dental needs to be treated separately from the larger spectrum of what we have been doing. And that's how we started in 2015, 19, when we launched it officially. And 2020, as you all know, with this pandemic, we couldn't do a physical initiative or an event, but we are very encouraged that we've done almost 7 events in the last 7 months in this pandemic time, because knowledge transfer should not be it should go on. There has to be networking. So this was a great platform. We thought webinars, Zoom has been a good platform, but a platform like this will actually make things more interactive, wherein we have exhibition halls, meeting rooms. So the host doesn't control everything. So there are options for people to go and connect with people, learn, understand, engage. And we've seen that in the last conferences, we've also done some great online contracts being signed. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for being a part of this. Let me now introduce you to Dr. Lalit Maini, sir, who is the patron of this event, the president for Delhi Orthopaedic Association. And while we were discussing, he also wanted the subject to be really broadened in terms of having expertise been shared for the orthopedic surgeons to know how 3D printing as design can be efficient to actually make customized implants, and also material science, because again you have great work happening in bone tissue engineering, collagen, cartilages, and a lot of work has been done in this space. So thank you so much for being a part of this, and let me introduce Dr. Lalit Mani, sir, to please start.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Shibu. Am I audible?
Yes, you are, sir.
Thanks a lot. 3D Graphy has been a great initiative, and this workshop is a baby born out of the last event that they had done, which was a major success, and it had brought so many diverse experts on one platform, and we already are seeing the outcome of the networking effort. It's an amazing platform that they have, which is very interactive, and I'm also grateful to Orthotech to become a partner to this event. We always need industry to actually finally deliver the technology to the patient who needs it at the end of the day. I welcome all the delegates, orthopedic surgeons, as well as various other delegates from various fields. I've been told we have people from industry, we have people from engineering background, we have people from design, from materials background. It's a very, very diverse sort of gathering. It's a great opportunity to sort of interact with all of you. And welcome to all the experts. We actually have 5-star batsmen in our team, and they're really going to hit a lot of sixes and fours with Dr. Jayesh Belare, Dr. Shantanu Dhara, Dr. Vijay Meena, Dr. Suman Singh, and Dr. Pallab Datta. A very, very warm welcome to this meeting, and I'm sure you're going to give us some mind-boggling presentations and show us where the world is and what all we can get out of it. So, Shivu, with no further delay, can we go ahead and if maybe Mr. Banerjee would like to say a few words?
Yeah. So, Mr. Banerjee, let me quickly share the video, a corporate video of a minute, and then Dr. Sushant Banerjee says his word of welcome, and then we will start the sessions. Yeah, Doctor, I'm sorry, there was technical. I'll just connect. In the meantime, Mr. Sushant Banerjee, sir, you can just share your insights, and then we'll immediately start the video.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shibu. Yeah. I will especially thank Dr. Maini sir to be on this platform and such prominent scientists of India who have come forward such a good platform where we can discuss on coating and 3D technologies. Orthopaedic has been there in this field since 1998, and we too have a robotic plasma coating at our own factory where we do the HA coating on our implants. I really thank Dr. Shibu to bring all these stalwarts from the industry and the scientists and the medical field together on this platform and exchange of ideas. This is really a good that there'll be a feast of knowledge sharing among the industry, the healthcare, and the scientists. This is something which I feel should be made more often. And I welcome all the delegates to this event. Let us join and have a great time together. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sushantji. I'll just connect with the video now. It's on.
Yeah.
Established in the year 1992, Orthopaedic was conceived by a team of dedicated technocrats who came together to create an organization that would develop quality implants and associated instrumentation, catering to the Asian anatomy while being affordable. With consistent efforts and focus on quality as well as R&D, Orthotech has propelled from strength to strength. As an ISO-certified manufacturing organization, Orthotech has its own CNC machining centers and FDA-approved clean rooms which comply with the most stringent quality standards. The team takes pride in acknowledging the success of the products under the Eco brand with the continuous support, guidance, and feedback from numerous surgeons and the medical academia.
Team Orthopaedic is proud that a simple thought of making quality implants in India, not only affordable but suitable for Asian anatomy, turned out to be a passion, leading to a sustainable healthcare for a wider spectrum of our society.
The Eco range of implants with surgeon-friendly instrumentation are known for their stability and modularity, along with comprehensive clinical trial records. Orthotech today is a name synonymous with trust in healthcare. Team Orthotech welcomes you to experience the trust when we say, implant with confidence.
Yeah, I think we are back. Can you see? Yeah.
Yeah. There was a network issue a little bit. I don't know.
Yeah. I think the others. I think everybody's network is okay. So at your end,
Yes,
where you be? I mean, you are able to hear the sound.
Yes,
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, I think that
Yes.
takes. Susan, you just check your network at your end, so that takes care. On the right you have this troubleshoot. You just click and then activate it. So let's now move on to the first session. What I would request you all is to get to the stage and then click on Dr. Jayesh Ballari's session. I think his session can be formulated accordingly. So all of you gentlemen and Dr. Suman can be in the audience now. So that as a part of the process. So Dr. Jayesh sir, please, you can go to the stage. And then everybody connects. On stage, yeah.